I definitely like how this thing has many ways to carry it. You got your backpack straps, you got a side handle here, you got a side handle over here. It's got this side handle that I just discovered when I moved it to this other table, which is very convenient because I didn't have everything zipped up. Nice. Here's another cool little feature it has pass-through charging. Sitting at the airport or something, you got your battery bank in there. You just connect your USB cord in. Ta-da, you're powering your phone and you don't have to dig through your backpack to find your power bank. And the power bank I'm using to do this is a free power bank. I'm planning, if I ever fly to do a bike tour, say like for instance in Florida, I'll be able to put all my gear in here. Yeah, it would easily fit all my camping stuff in there. So I'm gonna get the tent pack back up here. I can't do my normal routine where I already have all the blankets and everything packed up because, well, this is the bag for them here, so. And yeah, I ain't going organized or anything on this. I'm just gonna put it in here. The last thing I'm gonna put in there is the tent here. I almost forgot. It's gonna be definitely a lot harder than when I originally put all this stuff in here because, well, my wife had it nice and neat, and now it is not. All right, now I got everything in there. So this is the magic of this bag. So you zip it right up, all the way to the end there. So there'd be no way I could zip this shut with this bulging out like this. So this is a really cool thing about this pack is it is a vacuum pack. So if you had clothes in here, man, this would suck this thing way down into there. There's so much bulk in clothing. This gives me just enough to be able to get the lid shut. Nice. Now I should be able to easily shut the bag. Nice, yeah, that'll work. I got my tent poles, put them in there. I don't know. Got a little bit of dirt on it. Did I mention that it's waterproof? Nice, cleans off really good. Of course, I'll be able to clean it off better at home. It's just gonna get more dust and stuff stuck to it, you know, here, obviously. Yep, onward and forth back home.